Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I will be creating a Bengali bridal makeup look. So before starting the video, let me remind you that if you are new to my channel or seeing this face for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So before starting with my makeup, I have already done my skincare. Now I will start by applying my primer. So here I am using the Inside Cosmetics 2-in-1 primer. It is a silicone based primer, so it is a very good primer for oily skin. So first I will be starting with my eye makeup. For that I will conceal my eyes with the Swiss Beauty concealer. This concealer is a little bit thicker than the Maybelline one, so I find it very easy for my eyes to be concealed with this one. This is in the shade 03 Light Moon. So I prefer that if you are going with a heavy makeup look, conceal your eyes using a brush because it helps you to create a plain and clean canvas for your eyeshadows. Now I will set the concealer using a setting powder. For that I am using the Blue Heavens translucent powder. It is in the shade Natural. For my eyes, I'm using the Beauty Glazed palette. At first, I will be using a pinkish shade as a transition color. So here I have put a sellotape because I have to shape my outer V using eyeshadows, so it will make it easier for me. So now I will use a red color from the same palette on my outer V and on my crease line. Now using a fluffy brush, I will blend both the shades properly. सो मैं अपने आउटर वीज को थोड़ा और डार्क करूँगी. सो हियर आई एम यूजिंग अ वेरी थिन एंड स्मॉल ब्रश एंड आई एम टेकिंग द सेम रेड कलर ऑन माई आउटर वीज. So I will take a flat brush and spray some makeup fixer on it so that the glitter which I will be using on my eyes will stick on it very properly. So here I am taking a pressed glitter in red color on my inner lid. So now I will take some red color using a different brush and I will just blend the harsh edges of the glitter. Now I'll take up a black shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and put it on my outer V. So this will create a gradient look. So at first I am taking a little amount of black shade with the fluffy brush and I'm just blending with the red one. To make the black color more intense, I will be taking a small brush and putting the black color again on my outer V's. So you need to blend it really well so that it looks good, or else it will look so much separated and uneven. So now I will be taking this orange shade. It is a very light shade, so this will help you to blend both the intense shades very properly. So here I am using a fluffy brush to blend it. So now you can take out the tape so you can see that how neat and tidy it looks. So both my eyes are done here. Now I will put some eyeliner. Here I am using the Lakme's Insta liner. I will be drawing a inner wing, so I will not do it right now because my foundation is yet to be done, so I will put it later on. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. Now I will conceal my face using the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer. It is in the shade 25 medium. For contouring, I am using the NY Base contour stick. So now I will set my face using the Blue Heavens setting powder. I will not remove the powder immediately from my face because you need to bake it. So I will keep it for a while, then I will remove it using a brush. So now I'll finish off my eye look. So for my lower lash line, I will be using the same red color. Now I will be putting a kajal. Mind it, I am not putting the kajal on my waterline. I am putting on the lash line. This gives an illusion of bigger eyes. So now I will smudge the kajal using some black eyeshadow with a thin brush. So now I will put inner wing. I'm not good at drawing inner wings, so if I do something wrong, please excuse me. So now I'll start drawing my brows. For that I'm using the Music Flowers gel liner in the shade brown. So now I'll be using a concealer to define my brows. For mascara, I'm using the Nykaa's Lash Talk Mascara. So to finish the eye look, I will be putting on my falsies. This is from the Nykaa's Cat Eye lashes. This is the most difficult part for me. So our eye makeup is completely done. Now it is time to put some blush. For that I'm using the Swiss Beauty's blush palette. For highlighter, I'm using my most favorite highlighter from Urban Choice. It is in the shade 04 Sunburst. For lipstick, I'm using the ADS Pro Matte Me Liquid Lipstick. It is in the shade Chrome Red. So now I'll put a big bindi and start by making the white color design that has been made by Bengali brides. I think that is called the Kolka. So here I couldn't find any white chandan, so I have to use white fabric. I was very nervous drawing this because I was so much new at this and I had no idea how to do that, so I had to take some help from the internet. So here I have used some sindoor also in between the white dots. So somehow it was done. So this is my final Bengali bridal makeup look. So with this we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. So let's see you all in my next video.